Well, just wrapped the day up on the water, got the straps on, transom saver on the big motor. A debate forever has always been, what should I do with the kicker? Should I have it all the way up or should I have it all the way down? And at the end of the day, Mercury has designed this to be down, you know, and it makes sense, right? Like, for one, when it's all the way up here, all the stress is on the ram, on the hydraulics for the trim. You know, basically with this engine being way extended out, this creates a big lever, allows it, when it's bouncing down the road, to put even more pressure on that ram. That's where all the stress is. And not only there, on the whole bracketry itself, right? You're creating this lever that's allowing it to pry. And then even moving straight forward into the transom where this is mounted, you're just giving it more added strength to pry against this. When you trim everything down, basically you've created a level playing field where the force is up and down, this kicker motor is straight, it's tight, the hydraulics are now rested on the bracketry where it's designed to, and it just takes all the weight and leverage off of this basically bracket and transom. And so, moral of the story is, it's gonna save on your equipment. The roads aren't getting any smoother these days. And so it's just one simple thing that we can do, and Mercury recommends trailering with your kicker down.